Welcome to our channel where we'll guide you through activating your Capital One Walmart rewards card in a simple, step-by-step process. Welcome to our channel where we'll guide you through activating your Capital One Walmart rewards card in a simple, step-by-step process. First, before you start, ensure you have your new Capital One Walmart rewards card in hand along with your personal identification details, such as your social security number and date of birth handy for verification. Step 1 is to visit the official Capital One website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL www.capitalone.com/activate. This is the secure portal where you can safely activate your card. Step 2 involves creating or logging into your Capital One online account. If you are a new user, select the option to create an account and follow the prompts by entering your personal data including your email, phone number, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. For returning users, simply enter your username and password to log in. Next, Step 3, once logged in, find the option that says Activate Card. This can typically be found on the dashboard or under the card management section. Click on this link or button. Step 4 requires you to enter your full card number exactly as it appears on your physical card. Double-check to avoid any errors. You may also be asked for the expiration date and security code located on the back of your card. Step 5 is to verify your identity by answering any security questions that may appear. These are designed to protect you and ensure that only you can activate your card. Sometimes you might receive a verification code on your phone or email, which you will need to enter on the website to proceed. Step 6. After all the information has been confirmed, you will be notified that your card activation was successful. If you encounter any issues during this process, Capital One offers a customer service phone number which you can call for assistance. The number is usually found on the back of your card or on the activation webpage. Once your card is activated, you can start using it immediately for Walmart shopping and other purchases where Capital One cards are accepted. Remember to also download the Capital One mobile app to manage your account on the go, track your rewards, and monitor transactions. Activating your Capital One Walmart rewards card is that straightforward and will unlock great savings and benefits as you shop. Don't forget to always keep your card details safe and regularly check your account for any unauthorized activity. Thanks for watching this step-by-step guide to activating your Capital One Walmart rewards card. If you found this information helpful or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video to stay updated with more helpful tutorials and tips.